You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, has Lee requested in the comments. Here is how to pronounce the name of this village or commune in the Côte d'Or department of Bourgogne-Burgundy, France. It's said in French as Nicey. Nicey, Nicey is how you say it. It's easy, and now you know. Lee, yeah, that was a video for you. Subscribe if you want to learn more, and support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.